Hey guys, it's your girl Candy, and today's video is super duper different. Yes, I'm super excited about today's look. So look at my client's hair. It is just this nice, full, thick, luscious head of locks, and we're going to be adding some curls. Yes, this curly hair is the deep wave from QVR, and we're just going to create a boho look. She did not want her hair tightened just yet, but she wanted to soften her look a little bit, and so that's what we are doing by adding these curls. So I'm just inserting the crochet tool at the near the top part of her locks, and just creating a loop and just attaching the curl on the locks. I'm not actually attaching curls to each and every locks, because based on how full her hair already is, that would be a crazy amount of hair on her head if we were to add curls to each and every locks. So yeah, so we're just adding this lock, as I said before, to soften her look for a special event. Her event had a special boho theme which she wanted to represent, with her hairstyle, and so we are doing the boho locks right now using the QVR human hair, their deep wave in 14 inches. And this was done with the color natural black, since her hair is natural black. So this is how the QVR crochet hair is. Yes, with the micro ring loop in the middle, making it easy to knot and making it slip free. Yes, so this will not loosen, it will not slip, and we're just simply adding the curls to each lock. So based on the length of her hair, we went ahead with the shortest available length in this hair, which is 14 inches. She could have gone with a 12 or even a 10 inch if they were available, but it definitely was not available in the hair. So we went with the shortest possible one. And after the install, I will just cut it to get the desired length and the desired look. All right, so this is the progress so far. Yes, guys, sound off in the comments down below and let me know if this is something that you would do for your own lock. Yeah, so I'm using my hand to kind of separate the hair, just to give the hair more volume and to give it a more natural look. Yes, insert the crochet tool into the locks, attach the hair and pull it through, attach the end, pull the end through the loop, and just slide it to tighten. And that is as easy and as simple as it gets. This lock I will not be adding any here to, and then I'm taking down another piece which I will go ahead and add some here too. So I'm just using random locks to add the curly pieces to, not each and every one like I mentioned before. All right. So I'm actually cutting her hair to give it a bob look. Yes, so we are just going ahead and cutting a small amount off because the hair was not too long in the first place. So I'm just pretty much shaping it to give it a nice look. So we are all done with the cut, and I'm just adding a little bit of mousse that will help to activate the curls and to give the hair a healthy shine. And once I am done adding the mousse, then we are pretty much done with the style. So this was really, really, really quick, and guys, it made a world of a difference. She loved it and I absolutely love it too. So this is how it looks. Yes, on the side, in the front, look at the curls, guys. Look at that combination of locks and curls. The boho look is amazing. So this was a genius idea to just go in and soften up the look and to give it a little more of a girly vibe. Yeah. So who said that locks are not versatile? Come on now. You can change up the look of your locks by just, adding a couple pieces of curls, and you are definitely on your way to being a whole new you. Yeah. Guys, this is all I wanted to show you for today's look. I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope you definitely, if you have locks, this is something that you would try. And yeah, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on the look. And we will definitely catch up on my next video. You guys already know that I post twice per week on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe because we have content in the past and will have in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and we will definitely talk on the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed, and continue to rock with natural hair dynamics. And tell a friend to tell a friend that we're here. Bye.